Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make signing into supported websites faster with a passkey? Google Chrome has a setting called automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable this setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll down. Next, tap Google Password Manager. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. You can turn this option on or off. Turn it on to let Chrome automatically create a passkey when supported, or turn it off to stop Chrome from automatically creating passkeys. Choose the option you want to use. And that's how to enable or disable automatically create a passkey to sign in faster in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.